Card 1. Nightmares of Nature. Tasmanian Devil. The Tasmanian Devil is a vicious animal, always ready to chomp down on prey or dig into its favorite food, a rotting carcass. The devils often get into fights and let loose their nightmarish howls, screeching sounds that could have come from the devil himself. Power bite. Sharp teeth line the Tasmanian Devil's jaws. Heavy muscles around the jawbone provide the creature with a powerful bite easily shatters bones to pieces. Sniff, sniff. A scavenger, the Tasmanian Devil has a very sharp sense of smell. It can pick up on the scent of a dead animal from several miles away. Creature features. Species, Sarcophilus reesi. Size, length up to 3.5 feet, weight up to 26 pounds. Habitat, forests on the island of Tasmania. Prey, small animals and carrion. Lifespan, up to 8 years.
Wanna wonder world?